Alright, what's going on, guys? Today, as you guessed by the title of the video, is going to be exciting. Fog lights are here, and they only require basically one tool and a little bit of know-how. The question is, we doing it on this one? Or are we doing it on this one? Yeah, that's right. Let's start with this one, and then we'll go over there in another video. So fog light, easiest way to access it is going to be from behind this tire. What we're going to do is remove one clip in here. So we're going to need to turn our steering wheel. All right, so wheel all the way over. We have exposed the fender liner. And we're just going to go ahead and remove this one clip. Really struggling. Just get your hand in there, and there's your fog light. Grab the pigtail, push in on the clip, rotate that way. Done. Well, there we have it. Factory fog lights. Aftermarket LEDs. And I mean, you can you can just see the difference right there. And no fogs. Basically, like the yellow LED from Oxido is the only one really doing much here. Wow. So there you go. Alright, so that's it. We did the fog lights, we're done. Would you do fog lights? Would you do it after suspension? Tires, brakes, lift kit, what are you doing first? What is next on your project and why? Let us know down in the comment section, because we always love to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.